front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on System. Following that, select Gestures and tap on one-handed mode. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on this sweater next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then click on Got It in the pop-up and tap on the Home button. Now, by clicking on this shortcut, you can turn on one-handed mode right away. To go back to the standard size screen, you can click on this area, swipe up, or select the same shortcut again. If you want to move your shortcut around, hold it and drag it. Then place it whenever you need to, like here, and let go. In order to disable one-handed mode, go back to the same settings and tap on this sweater again. If you are using gesture navigation, you need to go back to the same one-handed mode section, but this time click on this sweater next to use one-handed mode. Make sure that pull screen into reach is on, and then swipe down from the button of your screen. To go back, swipe up, or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely with gesture navigation, hit the same sweater next to use one-handed mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!